but it kills us other kids.
It's true.
What's your favorite toy when you were a kid?
Well, I did a toy car once, kind of like this. It just a little black and white police car, but never left my pocket. And I lost it one night, I think. I must have dropped it or something. And Kojak light, right on top, right there, a little single bubble.